In macOS Sequoia, titles, headings, and subheadings create collapsible sections in your notes. An arrow appears at the beginning of your title to indicate that you can collapse it. By simply clicking it. These sections are nested, meaning they can go or be collapsed inside of each other. In these notes, organization is a title. Everything under it, before the next title, you can collapse, up until the next title, which is adding a title. So, titles collapse everything below them except other titles, naturally. And this is why the second title, which doesn't have any titles under it but headings and subheadings, collapses everything. When I expand it, you notice that there is a heading below it. Clicking the arrow on the heading collapses everything below it until the next heading. Logically, headings can collapse subheadings. And the last thing that you can collapse in your notes are subheadings, which usually just have your paragraphs or your body. If you notice, levels of the collapsible sections are easier to see just by looking at the font size of each. You have your titles that are the biggest, followed by your headings, and lastly, your subheadings.